I like it.
For love is patient and love is kind. Love is not jealous. Love is not easily provoked. Love is not proud.
Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, this is Simply Darling. I've just filmed a quick 5-minute video of a no makeup tutorial. Just something quick to do in your morning rush because ain't nobody got time to be beating their face early in the morning before they go to work. No one has time. I hope you enjoy watching it. Let me know what you think in the comments bar. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel and share the video as well, and let me know what other videos you like me to record, and I'm happy to do it. Also, thank you so much for my previous video. I wasn't expecting that many views because I haven't been on here for quite a while, so I was quite impressed. Thank you for your support, and yeah, let's continue to grow this channel. Alright then, take care guys, bye. So my makeup bag consists, it's literally this. I will actually moisturize my face. As I said before, it's a CLARINS Essential Moisturizer, which literally just hydrates your skin. I'm using my MAC Low Light Fluid Line. Basically, it's just an eyebrow gel. I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in Espresso. I literally use that to highlight my brows. So I'm just gonna quickly blend with my Real Technique brush. So I'm gonna put on my concealer, but before I put on my concealer, I'm gonna use strobing cream, so it just highlights the skin so that you get a natural glow. I'm still going back with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I don't really apply foundation everywhere. I don't think I need to. I just apply concealer. Then with my big Real Technique brush, I'm going to use my benign ebony translucent powder. I literally use it as my foundation, and I dab it into my skin, so I press it into my skin. I've decided to use the black opal powder, and this is in medium deluxe finishing powder, and I use a small amount and I press it into my skin. Now I feel like I have a blank face, so I'm going to contour and highlight. I'm going to use this dark brown colour. It's quite dark. So I'm going to contour my cheeks, my nose, and then the side of my face. I'm now going to highlight a little bit, but not so much. What highlighter am I using? So I'm using the Cheeky Bronze by MAC. Where's my lip liner? I'm going to use my Chestnut by MAC, and then I'll go in with the CLARINS Instant Light Lip Perfector. So I'm going to go in with my straightener and then apply just a few curls into my hair. Not a lot, just enough to look like a human being, you know. So that's the end of the look. Tell me if you like it. Comment down. Think.